guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, let's continue our discussion about circuiting. Okay, so on our last topic, we have learned how to add panel schedules. So this time around, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to customize your panel schedules. Alright, so let's get started. If you still remember on our last exercise, we have created the sheets, okay, which is this one wherein we put our fire alarm control panel 01 and 02 inside the sheet, which is this two schedule here, these two panel schedules. So let's say, for example, I would like to modify or customize my panel schedule. So how are you going to do that? So to start with, what you can do is you can go to the Manage tab, and then from the settings, there is an option here or tool that is called Panel Schedule Templates. So it says it manages, applies, and edits panel schedule templates in the project. So panel schedule templates control the formatting and type of information displayed in a panel schedule. So you can place panel schedules on sheets to produce required documentation. Alright, so let me just quickly show it to you. So I'm going to click the drop down. So for this one, instead of using manage templates, so what I'm going to use is the other one, edit a template. Okay, so I'm going to select edit a template, okay, which is this one. So for the template type, I'm going to change that to data panel. Okay, so I'll try this one, data panel. Okay, and then there's the template, the data panel default. So I'll be using that default one, and then I'm going to select OK. So once I select OK, so you will now be going to the Modify Panel Schedule Template tab. Okay, so as you can see, you have lots of tools here that is currently disabled, but if I'm going to click one cell here, notice that most of the tools here will gonna be activated except for the format unit. Okay, so you have the tools here that you can use. So let's say, for example, what I'm gonna do here in this column, I'm going to choose a category here. So I'm going to select. So let's say I want to include the project name of the project that I'm working on. I want that to be included to the panel schedule. So I'm going to select here the project information, and then you need to select the parameter that you want to add to this cell. So I'm going to click the drop down, and then after that I'm going to look for project name. Okay, so I'm going to select project name. So I click this one. There you go. So there's the project name. So as you can see, it's not updated because we haven't updated yet the project name of this project from the project information. So later we will be doing that. Now for the location, of course, you can always type there. So you can type there, like for example, the location is at Singapore. Singapore. Okay, enter. So something like that. And then after that, you can add more column, you can insert row, you can edit the border, you can actually edit the shading, like for example here. So I'm going to select edit shading. So just click that one. So let's say I want to make it a bit grayish. So I'm going to select that color, and then I select here OK. Okay, you see? It's now changed. So let me just go ahead and select both cell there. So edit shading. So let me click this color, and there you go. Okay. So you just need to explore some of the tools here that you can do on your columns and rows, and you can also specify the text here. But once you're done, so what you can do is you just need to finish the template. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to update my panel schedule here. So how am I going to apply the template that I just created a while ago? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this panel schedule, and then there is an option here, edit. Okay, so you just need to select edit panel schedule. Just click that one, and then after that you can select here, change template. So you just click that, just cancel this one. Okay, and then you can now select here the template that is available for me to use. So I'm going to select here OK, and there you go. And at the moment, the project name is not updated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the manage. Let me just go to the manage, and then you go to the project information, and then you specify here the project name. Where is that? This one. So let's say the project name is Singapore Public Hospital. Okay, and then you just need to select your OK, and then as you can see, it's now updated here. Okay, so basically that's how you create your panel schedule. So you just need to change template if you want again to update. If you have other templates here, you can select that. Once you're done, just select OK and then cancel. Okay, right. So basically that's how you modify your panel schedule. So again, I'm going to update this one. I select that, edit panel schedule, change the template, select the template here, OK, and there you go. Okay, right? Okay, and then I can now go back again to my sheets here, and there you have it. Okay, and there you go. So that's how you edit your panel schedule. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from this video, guys. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.